Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download TD Engine's all-in-one package on Linux. If you're at the Download Center screen and you want a more in-depth description, you can also click on the all-in-one user manual. It will take you directly to this page right over here, and within the page you can see things like the requirements, the software you need, and the configurations. Most importantly, run all installation commands as the root user. Okay, so we're going to go into our VM. As you can see, I'm the root user, and I will run the command right over here. It's just one line. Copy and paste it, and then hit enter. Once you see this screen, don't panic. The installer is working. Hit enter once again. And you will notice the TD Engine installer start to do its thing, and you are well on your way. I'll see you when this is done. Okay, we should have reached a screen like this. Now, where do I find the link to that? I would just look for localhost 6042. Here you enter an email address. I'll enter mine. You guys make sure to enter your own. Enter a unique password to log in. And once you get to this sort of screen, that's when you know you're done. Okay, so follow the prompts on the Activate IDMP screen. And one more thing that you have to do is also agree and activate our free license, right? Our free license is free to use for 5,000 tags forever. And it's something that we're really proud of, and we hope will help you in your endeavors in this space. And now you've successfully activated TD Engine's all-in-one package on Docker. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. And also, if you're having trouble, always hop onto this page. It provides a good overview of everything that you're looking for. There will be a link to this in the description of this video, or you can also visit TD Engine's Download Center right here to directly get to the all-in-one manual. Thank you.